Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today, I learned something new. You can cut rebar with simple bolt cutters. I know. Now, I know some of you are probably looking at me like, yeah, I kind of already knew that. But I guarantee you there's probably a lot of people that don't know this and think that they need to go out and buy some fancy tools or make a bunch of noise and dust in your garage just to cut a rebar. Now, there are many ways to cut rebar, and for a very long time I used my grinder. You can use a hacksaw, you can use a metal chop saw, you can use a hydraulic cutter, you can use an electric cutter, and you can use something that looks like a bolt cutter. It's a rebar cutter / bender. But as you probably noticed, they can be quite expensive. So back in the day, I started with the hacksaw. Terrible, took forever. I quickly went out and bought a grinder and used these cutoff wheels here. I started with the thicker one for some reason. This is 332. And yeah, I don't know why I started with that, but it seemed like it was taking a lot of material off the rebar and creating a ton of dust. I then switched to the thin-wheeled one here, and this one was much better. Still makes a lot of dust if you got to make a few cuts. So then I went out and bought this metal chop saw, thinking, hey, I'll just be able to chop through it like when I chop through a 2x4 with my miter saw. It'll be great. Yeah, that did not work out as planned. It takes a lot longer to cut with this thing than expected. I think it's actually quicker with the angle grinder. It takes a ton of material off your piece, creates a ton of dust, and it is literally the loudest tool I now own. I thought it was my table saw or my router, but it's now this thing. And I'm just an average DIYer. I don't do much metal work or anything like that, but when I do, it really does make a mess. So I thought I'd try the bolt cutters. And these ones here are only about 30 inches long. I think you can actually probably get some longer ones. I feel like I've seen longer ones before. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of rebar here and show you what that looks like. I'm not going to do anything to the rebar. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. And then I thought I'd maybe do a little bit of an experiment where I put some score lines into the rebar with my grinder before I use the bolt cutters to see if that helps out even more. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I didn't really do anything special to prep. I just put the rebar into the bolt cutter and started putting my full weight onto the bolt cutter. I found it helpful to put the handle on the ground and put my foot on there to get started. And I am about 170 pounds, and I have to put my full weight onto it about 4 times before it cuts. Sometimes 4.5. So you do have to put a little bit of muscle into it. Now, with my little experiment with these score lines, I had some very good results. So I basically just took my grinder. This is a brand new disc, so I was actually able to score that rebar quite quickly. Usually it doesn't cut this well, but anyways, just thought I'd mention that. But adding those score lines in there made it a lot easier to get started with the bolt cutter, and it only took 2 tries to cut. And it was a very easy 2 tries. Like I wasn't even putting my full body weight on there, and it just sliced through that like butter. So in the future, I would definitely probably use the combination of the grinder and the bolt cutter, where I just kind of run along my rebar if I'm cutting multiple pieces, just score everything that I need ahead of time, and just snip away with my bolt cutters. But if I'm in a situation where I don't have a grinder, I know that I could just bring my bolt cutters with me, and and that shouldn't be a problem. I did want to show you the close-up of my bolt cutters, just to show you that it's not taking any damage at all. So I'll gladly use my bolt cutters for this for the foreseeable future. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you liked my video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving it a thumbs up. Alright, see you next time. You don't need fancy tools to cut rebar. Just get some bolt cutters. Oh yeah!